Why don't you tell me how you started writing poetry?
I started writing poetry because I fell in love, and I needed to express my feelings. Howl. I saw the best minds of my generation destroyed by madness, starving, hysterical, naked.
Would you say that Howl, the poem by Ginsberg, is obscene? Yes.
Holy, holy, holy.
If it has any literary value, it's negligible.
Holy Kerouac, holy Cassidy.
Who blew and were blown by those human seraphim.
You feel like you're going through the gutter when you read that stuff.
Now, you understand what blew and blown mean.
I realized that poetry is a rhythmic articulation of feeling.
What is obscenity and to whom? Ginsberg's life apparently has had this kind of rhythm.
Oh, skinny legions, run outside!
There are books that have the power to change men's minds.
The eternal war is here!
Let there be no running from non-existent destroyers of morals.
Oh, victory!
Let there be light.
We're free!
What is the Beat Generation?
There's no Beat Generation. Just a bunch of guys trying to get published.